Welcome to the analysis of MockCat 2014-09. Let's look at the first section Q&DI, the number of questions that were distributed along the paper. The total number of questions under the section number system were 9. The level of difficulty was from very basic to a very high level. Algebra, the total number of questions were 8. Arithmetic, the number of total number of questions were 5. There were 4 questions from modern maths. Geometry and mensuration had another 8 questions. DI in pie chart, it had one set with 3 questions in it. The tabular format had 2 such sets with 3 questions in each. The combination type had one with 4 sets, one set with 4 questions, and data sufficiency had a total of 3 questions. The paper was an average one, and as we can see, number system, algebra, and modern and geometry, all of these 3 were the dominant topics. So let's go ahead and look at the solutions of each and every question. Okay, the first question says, Rosie, who is the class teacher of 4th standard in Vidya Public School, wrote the first 4,000 natural numbers in a row, starting with 1 on a blackboard. She then called 4 students, namely P, Q, R, and S of the class, and asked each one of them to perform a different operation, one after another. P was asked to erase every 5th number of the row, starting from the left. Q was asked to erase every 4th number out of the remaining numbers, starting from the left. R was asked to erase every 3rd number out of the remaining numbers starting from the left, and S was asked to erase every 2nd number out of the remaining numbers starting from the left. If they perform the operations in the given order, find the 4th number from the left at the end of all the operations. This question is a lengthy one. I mean, it looks like it's a very lengthy one, but it's the simplest of all. So let's see what Rosie, the class teacher, asked the students to write. She asked them to write numbers from 1 to 4,000. So let's write down few numbers. Math follows pattern. So if you are able to get the pattern, you will be able to answer questions like these ones. So I've written down the first 20 numbers and the last 5 numbers. Okay. Now let's see what P was asked. So P was asked to erase every 5th number of the row starting from the left. So he was asked to erase every 5th number starting from the left. So this was the 5th number, the next number was 10, the next number has to be 15, the next one has to be 20. So we can see that every numbers which are multiples of 5 will be erased. Next, Q was asked to erase every 4th number out of the remaining numbers. Now, the 4th number is this, 4, the number 4. Remember, 5 is not present as of now. So the next number counting will start from 6. So this is the 1st, 2nd, 3rd, and 4th. So the next number is now 9. The next number will be then 14. The next number that Q is going to erase is going to be 19. And similarly, all the numbers which are of the form 5Q plus 4 will be erased. Why? So this was the case what the type of numbers Q was erasing, and this is the number by which P was erasing. So this was of the form 5Q. Let's look at the case of R. R was asked to erase every 3rd number. So the numbers that R is going to erase is of the form 5Q plus 3. So he's going to erase 3, then he's going to erase 8, then 13, then 18, and similarly the last number that is left is 3998. Now, S was asked to erase every 2nd number. So S was asked to erase every 2nd number, as in all the numbers of the form 5Q plus 2, where he was asked to erase. So he erased 2, he erased 7, he erased 12, he erased 17, and accordingly the last number left 3997. Now, we have to find the fourth number from the left at the end of all the operations. So these are the operations done. So this is the first number, this is the second number, third number, fourth number. So 16 comes out to be the fourth number. Hence the right answer is B.